Hey guys, so today I will be trying out the 10 pesos or the 20 cents, if that's in dollars, Keratin Plus Intense Brazilian hair treatment, and it says here that this is paraben free. It's a one wash Brazilian blowout. This is a daily 1-minute treatment. It smoothens and softens dry, frizzy, and damaged hair, and it says that this is ideal for rebonded, color treated, or frizzy hair. It has rosemary and sunflower oil in it. Alright, so it claims to instantly help smoothen hair and tame frizz and flyaways. Helps reduce hair damage from chemical and salon treatments like coloring, rebonding, and regular heat styling. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. So the direction says to actually shampoo your hair and then apply this. It says for extra conditioning, leave on the hair for 3 minutes, because this is like one of those 1-minute treatment. But if you want your hair to be extra moisturized and conditioned, you leave this in for 3 minutes. So I'm gonna go to the bathroom to try this out. Okay, so I just shampooed my hair. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put that all over my hair. I'll actually see if this one thing can fit my whole hair. And by the way, I'm not putting this on, probably just here, but not really on my roots. It's actually smells really good. I think my area of concern really is just on the mid and the bottom part of my hair. But however, if you want to use this to prevent hair fall, then yeah, you can put it on top right here. It's just that my issue with treatment sometimes, if I put that on the top part of my hair, it kind of prevents me from having a little bit of volume on my hair. But we'll have to see. Probably just going to apply this right here, but not really onto my roots. And for me, I think I can leave this on my hair for 3 minutes. I really want to see if that would moisturize my hair even more, or if that would have better results on my hair. Also, it says here that you need to comb the hair as well. So I'm gonna do that. Maybe that's gonna straighten my hair even more if you actually comb it. Or it's gonna distribute the products on your hair better rather than just applying it. And I actually like how I can just easily comb my hair with this. Alright, okay, so once that's done, I'm just gonna leave this on my hair for 3 minutes and then just wash it off with water. I'm no longer gonna put any other treatments, or I'm not gonna use my conditioner here, because I just wanted to see the full effects of just this treatment alone. Alright, so I just got out of the bathroom and I'm just going to towel dry my hair and then air dry my hair as usual, and then I will let you guys see the results after. And actually right now I could feel that my hair is really soft, which is nice. I didn't expect it for like 10 pesos. But I will tell you my full thoughts about this as soon as my hair is dry. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so here is the result. I really do like it. First of all, the smell of my hair is awesome. It did make my hair soft and smooth. I actually left it for 3 minutes instead of 1 minute, and I really do like how it made my hair manageable as well. This is like one of those treatments that if your hair really needs intense hydration, it will hydrate your hair. However, since I put some of the treatment on top of my hair, I have absolutely no volume because of it. Next time, probably I'm not gonna use it on top of my hair right here. Just use it on the bottom part of my hair, because I feel like this is such a great treatment for my ends especially. I mean, for a 10 peso treatment, this is not bad at all. So that's it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments down below what more hair treatments do you think that I should be trying out that are coming in. There's actually some hair products that I'm very much excited to try out. So that is it for now, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!